In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to complete Maestro attack on Attack on Titan Revolution. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Maestro attack is an achievement that you can earn if you complete a mission without touching the ground once. There are some tips that you can take to make this a little bit easier, with the best one possible being bringing a friend, because as long as your friend kills the majority of the titans and you only kill 10% of the titans needed to complete a mission, you will still be able to get it done. So something that a lot of people do is go over to low difficulty missions, create a lobby, and they bring a high level friend. You can do this solo, but like I mentioned, bringing a friend does make the process easier. You will have to kill roughly 3 titans at least to earn this achievement. So all that you have to do is start a low level mission, bring a friend optionally, and you will be able to start it. Now, you can freely grapple anything. You can freely grapple trees, the ground, or buildings. You just cannot physically touch anything, titans included. You have to make a clean cut without colliding with them. Now, you might be wondering what you should do because you always start missions already on the ground, but don't worry, they make it so it doesn't count. So you just have to boost out of here without touching the ground and you will be able to start. So as soon as you start the mission, you can go ahead, boost over from place to place, and you will be able to get this process done. So like I mentioned, you need to make clean cuts towards the titans, and as long as you are able to get the hits without touching the ground, you will be able to get this done. Now in that example, sadly I failed, so this run would not count, but still you can practice, and once you get better at doing these cuts, you will be able to get the mission done. So I recommend that you bring a friend, because in that case they can just easily kill the titans while you stay far away, and then you just have to get 3 kills at the end without colliding with the titans. You can do whichever method you prefer, either alone or with a friend, and you will be able to get this done to get the Maestro attack achievement in Attack on Titan Revolution. I hope I was able to help you on how to complete Maestro attack in Attack on Titan Revolution. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.